Welcome to the Presidential Popularity Contest. Joining me today is my good buddy, Cowboy Joe. All right, before we get into today's match, let's get the results of Monday's match between Founding Father George Washington and the first president to die in office, William Henry Harrison, where it wasn't even close. Washington wins it 32-7. Okay, Cowboy Joe, you got today's match. Who's it gonna be? Who we got?
Today we got Herbert Hoover and John Quincy Adams.
There you go. Herbert Hoover taking on John Quincy Adams. Who do you think was a better president? Vote now. We'll have the results on tomorrow. Adams, Hoover, you decide.